So, Hannibal, this is my old cover, which has done its fair share of hard work. Now, this is what it should look like. This is a seam sealed or hot welded PVC join. This is obviously to make the rooftop tent waterproof, the cover waterproof. You can see inside the seams here are hot welded together. And that's to make the tent cover properly waterproof, in the corners especially. You can see there, properly welded with a patch here over the stitching to make sure. And everywhere you look for stitching, you're going to see it's hot welded. So that's a proper cover for the rooftop tent made by Hannibal, the original, on the original rooftop tent. So that's a good cover. It's lasted really well. You'll also notice that it's a single panel, of course. So the top piece is a single panel. It's got these channels which the straps run through, but essentially it's a single panel. Right. Now let's look at the new cover. This is the new cover. The first thing you'll notice is I literally picked this up today. There are holes in the cover already from where it's been damaged in wherever it was stored in their warehouse. Now this is the wonderful job that they've done in the corners of the tent and everywhere else in the stitching. So stitch through, no seam seal, no hot weld, nothing. So basically this is a tea bag. It's gonna leak all over. Then whoever was cutting the cover got the width wrong. So you'll notice right the way through the middle of the tent is a stitch, a join going through, not even the middle, just the edge of the tent where they cocked up the length, the width, and then again, no welding at all. This has taken 3 weeks, I might add, to get this piece of crap. All the way through, the only thing that's probably semi-decent is that they put YKK zips back on. Thankfully, the stitching is horrendous at best. I doubt it'll last. And the most concerning thing though, and the most important thing of a rooftop tent cover is it's waterproof and dustproof. And this thing is going to leak like a sieve. So that is the current workmanship that you could experience with Hannibal Safaris, made in South Africa. Made cheap, sold expensive.